Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Well, this is not a game video. This is going to be a kind of review video. Well, in this video I'm going to talk about a manager. Yes, a file manager that I am using currently for all of the devices that I have because it gives a actual presentation. So, the app that I am talking about is going to be this file manager. And before I talk about this, let me just, as you can see, it just tells about the storage directly. This app doesn't have virus. This app is not a BS. So if you are looking for a file manager so that you can keep your phone actually clean and so that your phone doesn't lag, so this is the app that you are looking for, and that this is the app that yes I was looking for. Just forget about this Google cleanup. Yeah, I'm not installing that. Okay, so you have to go to Play Store, and well, let me show you from the starting how to find this. So just go here and you just have to type file manager, and when you do that you are going to see this file manager. I know the flashlight plus clock is a different name, so I would say if the creators of this app are watching, you can change. Makes it kind of fishy, so you have to change that name if you can, otherwise it's all good, not a problem for me. And so before I give it rating also, if the creators of this app are watching this video, let me tell you, this video is not sponsored by these guys. So if you are watching, I would recommend that you sponsor this video, because this video is not going to be too long on YouTube. I'm just going to delete it after some time because I'm not doing anything for free. So if you want that your advertisement should be there on YouTube and you get more downloads, then yeah, you can just contact me. You can just find me anywhere. You can just comment, because I don't get a million comments, I only get 2 to 3 comments. So if you are watching, yes, I'm looking for a sponsor, so you are the right ones. I can be your regular customer, and if you are launching new apps, then go for it. So before rating this app, let me show you how this app actually works. So as you can see, my main storage is 13 out of 16 and SD card is this. So it is really simple in this app. You are not going to see in any other. So when you go here, you can't see anything really, but just click at this top, it says 81% used, and wait for some time, it would show you this. And you go in here, and as you can see, it shows the actual picture, what is there in which folder, and you can search and you can see if you want it, or if it's just sitting and it's of no use, you can literally go in and you can just delete. And it comes in order, so what is actually taking more space would be at the top and the least one would be at the bottom, as you can see. So this is the best app and it is really easy. Let me just show you. So if I go in here, I have some photos, like for example this photo that is mine. I know I look weird, so the simple thing you have to do is you have to select, copy this, go here and go to SD card, and you can just go wherever you want, or you want a new folder, so you can just go here, click these 3 dots, you can create a new file or a new folder. I can just go in pictures and I just click paste, boom, it's done. So you can literally select every single thing and you can transfer it to SD card, and then your phone wouldn't lag and you would have more space. And if this is not enough, you can just see, let me show you one more thing that I want to show actually. So here, if I select this picture again, I copy this, and if I go to SD card and if I try to paste it again, like let me just go here, and if I try to paste it, you would get the notification that it already exists. So you can just copy everything and you can just transfer it to your SD card or to your main storage, and you don't have to care about repeating it. So I would highly recommend this app to use, and I really use this app, and that's how I actually cleaned my phone. I don't know about any other app. I need not check other apps because I'm satisfied, I'm highly satisfied with this app. And let me just tell you again, this video is definitely not sponsored by them. So at last, I want to help everyone who are just watching for this, or if they are not watching the YouTube video, they can just come here and see the rating. So I'll give it a 5 star because it doesn't have any bad things that I have seen. So let me just give it 5 star, and I would write something good. Brilliant app, true manager, I don't know what is this with the Samsung phones. They always do these stuff. I'll write phone instead. Phone. Looking for sponsors, and I'll write invitation. To you, and at last subscribe to. Yes, I would do my advertisement here because they didn't sponsor my video. Okay, so it says, does this app have autocorrect? I don't know what is the meaning of autocorrect here, so I think I would write not sure. Does this app have messaging? Yes. Actually the notification for this app is closed by me, so I would say yes. Okay, so this is my you can say my rating to this app. I've given it 5 star. And brilliant app, true manager of phone, looking for sponsor, invitation to you, and subscribe to my channel, that is this. And I'm not taking the name of my channel because there is a reason. I may change my name further when after 2 to 3 years or sometime, so I don't want my videos to be old or something. So if they sponsor this video, it is going to be long on YouTube. If they don't, it is going out pretty soon. So if you are watching, then make sure to sponsor. So I'll post this app review. Okay, so I actually did it. Okay, done. So okay, that's my father's name. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I would definitely hope my opinion and my idea or my suggestion would really help you. And if it does, make sure to come back to my video and give a like, comment down below how much it was useful to you. And yes, thank you guys for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye and peace. Not sponsored video, truly.